This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Old. If quality and affordability is what you desire, then look no further. As you step inside, prepare to be blown away by the Palmetto's open floor plan, which showcases the home's modern kitchen equipped with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large pantry. The large primary suite offers an ensuite and walk-in closet. The laundry room is adjacently located from the primary suite and equipped with washer/dryer hookups. Two generously sized bedrooms are located at the opposite side of the home, in addition to a full-sized bathroom conveniently located between the two rooms. Seller will provide up to 3% in closing cost assistance with use of a preferred lender. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Old at 252-207-3435.